Well, this is exciting, a very exciting day. The atmosphere here at JP, this is truly the defining moment of this mission. Nonetheless, global success rate for getting to the surface of Mars is less than 50%. The challenges that represents requires perseverance from a team like this so that Phoenix doesn't become just another statistic.
We are now approaching Mars relative to the surface at about 6,100 miles per hour. At about 18 hours out, the gravity well will take us in at about 12,600 miles an hour. 14 minutes before touchdown, as you saw in the video there, we separate from our cruise stage. At that point, we lose communication at X-band and we start using our batteries. We enter the Mars atmosphere 7 minutes before touchdown. At this point, you'll see the parachute will be deployed. We're measuring the atmospheric density and our peak pulse, and we open our parachute at about Mach 1.5. And we're now going to slow the vehicle down from 1,100 miles an hour down to about 120 miles per hour. 15 seconds after parachute deploy, you see the heat shield fall away. At that point, our landing radar, and I should say our landing radar antennas, are now exposed to the surface, and so we can get our first direct measurement from Phoenix of where the surface is.
There's a lot of uncertainties left. There's still a potential for a maneuver that's going to be discussed. There's also just typically the unknowns that occur at Mars. Mars is always there to throw those unknowns at us.
This will be an attempt to be the first successful landing at the polar regions, so that's obviously a challenge. It's going to be the first time we used a propulsive descent system to land on Mars since Viking. We're dealing with a system that's coming into the planet at 12,600 miles an hour, screaming into the planet, and slowing down to basically zero inside 7 minutes. That's always a tough thing to do, no matter how many times you do it.